Hello students, last time discussed about capital reduction with simple format of journal entries. Then the 15 marks question, the problem on the capital reduction. The following balance sheet is balance sheet of Sunrise Limited on 31st March 2021. The balance sheet vertical form, the particulars, note, amount, mid column, that is, they take first equity and liabilities under head, the share capital, shareholders fund, share capital, note 1, 25 lakh, reserve and surplus, note 2, minus 2 lakh 90,000, current liabilities, that is trade payable, that is creditors, rupees 60,000, others, that is bank overdraft, 40,000. Total equity and liabilities 23 lakh 10,000. Next head, assets. Non-current assets, that is intangible tangible fixed assets, note 3, 3 lakh 46,000. Intangible fixed assets, that is patents, 17 lakh. Current assets, that is inventories, that is stock, 1 lakh 10,000. Trade receivable, that is debtors, 1 lakh 50,000. Cash and cash equivalents, cash 1,000. Total amount 23 lakh 10,000. Note the balance sheet. Here the share capital. Authorized share capital 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 is 20 lakh. 20,000 equity shares of rupees 100 is 20 lakh. Total authorized capital rupees 40,000. Next, subscribed capital 15,000 preference shares of rupees 100 is fully paid, 15 lakh. Then 10,000 preference equity shares of rupees 100 is fully paid, 10 lakh. Total subscribed capital rupees 25 lakh. Note 2, reserve and surplus. Discount on issue of shares minus 36,000. Profit and loss account debit balance 2 lakh 30,000. Preliminary expenses minus balance 24,000. Total rupees 2 lakh 90,000. Next, note 3, tangible fixed assets, leasehold premises 2 lakh 61,600, plant and machinery 84,400, total 2 lakh 46,000. When company suffered heavy losses and was not getting well, the following scheme of reconstruction was adopted. The first, the preference shares be reduced to an equal number of fully paid shares of rupees 50 each. Second, equity shares be reduced to an equal number of fully paid shares of rupees 25 each. Then third, the amount so available to write off rupees 61,600 of the leasehold premises of rupees 30,000, of stock 20% is 20% is of plant and machinery and sundry debtors. The balance available to patents pass journal entries and prepare balance sheet after reconstruction in has been carried out. Okay, this is a problem. First of all, we calculate capital reduction amount is essential. Here, the preferences. It is 15,000 preferences, that is reduce rupees 50. It is amount rupees 7,50,000. Next, equity shares 10,000 equity shares, reduce rupees 75, total 7,50,000. Total capital reduction is rupees 15 lakh. Then journal entries, preference share capital account debit 7,50,000, equity share capital account debit 7,50,000, to capital reduction account credit 15 lakh. Narration, being 15,000 preferences of rupees 100 is reduced to rupees 50 per shares, and 10,000 equity shares of rupees 100 is reduced to rupees 25 per fully paid shares. That is first entry for reduction of preferences and equity shares. Then second entry, capital reduction amount, utilization of capital reduction. Second entry, capital reduction account debit 15 lakh, P&L account to PL account 2,30,000, to discount on issue of sales account 36,000, to preliminary expenses account 24,000, to leasehold premises account 61,600, stock account 30,000, plant and machinery account 84,000, 20% is rupees 16,800, 16,000, 16,880, to patents 30,600, to patents balancing figure 10,70,920. Okay, that is utilization of capital. Narration, being capital reduction amount utilized as per scheme of reconstruction, the balance of rupees 10,70,920 is return of the return from patents. Okay, next it is balance sheet. Note, first preparing the balance sheet. First to prepare the note to the balance sheet. 1. Share capital. Authorized share capital 20,000, 20,000 preferences of rupees 50 is 10 lakh, 20,000 equities of 25, 5 lakh, total authorized capital 15 lakh. Then subscribed capital 15,000 preference of rupees 50 is fully paid 7,20,000, 10,000 equity shares of rupees 25 is fully paid rupees 2,50,000, total 10 lakh subscribed capital. Note 2, tangible fixed assets. Leasehold premises 2,61,600 less written off as per the scheme 61,600. Then balancing figure 2 lakh. Plant and machinery 84,400 less written off as per scheme 16,880. Then balancing figure amount 67,520. Total amount 2,67,520 tangible assets. Next, intangible assets. Intangible fixed assets, that is patents 17 lakh less written off as per scheme 10 lakh 70,920, balancing amount rupees 6 lakh 29,080. Next, note for inventories, that is stock, 1,10,000 minus return of 30,000, total balancing figure amount 80,000. Trade receivable 1,53,000 minus return of 30,600, total balancing figure 1,22,400. Okay, then after the preparation of work balance note, the easy to prepare balance sheet. Okay, first head balance sheet, vertical balance method of balance sheet, equity and liabilities, shareholders fund, that is share capital, note 1, 10 lakh, reserve and surplus, that is reserve and surplus, lien, current liabilities, that is trade payable, that is creditor 60,000, others, that is bank overdraft 40,000, total 11 lakh. Next, that is total equity and liabilities 11 lakh. Okay. Next head, that is assets, non-current assets, that is tangible fixed assets, note 2, 2,67,520. Already note prepared, same amount should be written in balance sheet. Next, intangible fixed assets, note 3, this 6,29,080. Next, current assets, inventories, note 4, 80,000. Trade receivable, 1 lakh 22,400. Cash and cash equivalent 1,000. Total, it is rupees 11 lakh. That is balance sheet preparing vertical method. That is, if that is easy to ascertain balance sheet, you understood by balance sheet as per the simple method. Okay, thank you. Next time discuss about the another problem. Okay, thank you.